from the statement that has been read by our chairman from Kisii County, Ford Kenya is alive and up to the task. Of course, my name is Fred Asira. I'm the National Youth Chairman of Ford Kenya. And today we are here to issue a very strong statement that as the youth of Ford Kenya, we have realized our space and we are going to take it. The former party leader, Moses Masika Wetangula, who has rightfully and in accordance with the constitution of Ford Kenya been ousted from that position, but who is using dubious means and crooked ways which are characteristic of his behavior, should be alerted and warned that his time is actually up. We as the youth are ready to take over from his failures. That as the youth of Kisii have clearly demonstrated, we are strongly behind the changes that have been witnessed in Ford Kenya. We strongly support the new party leader, Honorable Wafula Wamunyinyi, and the Secretary General of the party Ford Kenya, Honorable Dr. David Simiyu Eseli. That we send a strong warning to the former party leader with his shenanigans as he attempts to convene an illegal NEC meeting which purports to ratify a meeting that never was, as per the Registrar of Political Parties' decision, that his attempt in futility is akin to a man waiting to fill a strainer with water. It shall never be full. We will not allow you to continue dividing the Mulembe Nation and the Ford Kenya family for your personal gains. That time is over. And having had a consultative meeting with the youth of Kisii, it is very clear that so many youth are disgruntled in the manner in which the former party leader has been conducting himself by rewarding his cronies and family. If you look at his personal assistant, currently Mr. Chris Mandumandu, who is a known Ford Kenya party wheeler dealer and who has been rewarding people from his backyard, his family, his wife and kids were nominated in 2013. What kind of leadership is that? And Chris Mandumandu, who is the personal assistant to Moses Wetangula, is also the national organizing secretary. Is this Ford Kenya Moses Wetangula and company advocates? No.
It's not.
It is not. So this is a political party that has organs and structures and interests from different people, not a Bungoma cattle dip association. The movement begins today. We are going to go across the country mobilizing the youth and the members of Ford Kenya into realization that this is their party. And the new leadership has overwhelmingly declared that they are taking the party back to its members. And that is what brought us here today. That Ford Kenya goes back to its members. Ford Kenya goes back to its
members.
Ford Kenya goes back to its
members.
And Weta out. Weta
out.
In Wamunyinyi. In
Wamunyinyi.
In Eseli. In
Eseli.
Weta out. Thank you.